Namrashasteve krashimet ramesepachanyat nevesta sapche lahaname darakem ekeshanzu rapti shan vei. Drem azave rapi shabtik vasmes. Gima esibra shekotem aresem echanyatu vesib a drepachukuvaseme trebash nemegrum. Drekvas eba lan et arlain rase labo. Lain akalazen yos ebashnem lesan larang. Gulum sarake treja sam rabzik. Seren raj numadra kuvayan rubet shan hirimis. Nam azakai sarab trepasha prakum. Glass form must be removed. Namara shaste taram egov. Iamat ushkare hamesebach num et erlein rabat krum ejin yazem a. Lavana 2 form 1714 is going to activate the structure flow at 261214. Animation flow will begin at 71221614212, shifting now to 61214. 482114. Nemashast evakrakia sebjam tresa sem. Line of a clearing is now being flowed to remove live flow truck structures which are damaging the overall communication structures through flow 2176148142216189137. Gima tre shikmaze. Dreven ishtesat. Sign flow will begin at structure 4812632. We will use clear stream 7819436. Gayan Vesta Sharebat Las now is in play. Yenga Shanim. Namara Severi Shat clear, shifting to 72142172126. Nimra Shafte Klestep Ashmeten Every test is now in place. Mina says we have a point to use and we shall flow through 614145217. Understand that there will be a choppy descent into field 32181. There is no creation flow forming net to catch descent vector vessels as they enter flow tree 61211415. Naras Ishkabarima. We do have an interior point available to exercise a descent vector creation stream flow check. Ne a sirim ras igalakja rasem e sign it is now in play. Understood. Iamas uva correctias meredrapet mesambareshi ab time is going to be difficult to travel through this region. Alas Ishbad line of understanding is being vector shifted through 621441826112. Na ala siklashke ba abzed nemashes ebasem ishtebrak. Understood that there will be a point of communication at 61412, which will be housing the flow as we pass from structure 226 into structure 4145. Understood. Understood. Line up the dream flow flowing flow 6126171 and begin vector shifting to 8266 612. Nimarashaste fakdekvayum. Understood. Clear the streams of patterns which will give us a point of reference. Inglas is not going to be functional for the next section. We shall use only tree flow dialogue. Maikasyaba sharima. Laima sira shababrute. Labraki class now is in place. Iatise blashne clarilem edri shirim est era nari sriba sarik clam eshiriaba line avanclia chambe tu srim adim lies evacanum. Necessary to begin structure tree 2614's output into structure pointing. Now we will use only creation flow point tree dialogue at this stream. Alakiashi in ni adi shian in nimedrin edilin alam traj nakalish. Necessary communication is establishing through flow point hub 781. Nemacha Drayam ad sign flow is in play. Asakumpo aram bari jurupatama kachavesta sam asya sebret. Understood. Create a form of petition at 182614, and I will flow into this point with the Arden Lan flowing flow command 62. Now we will have a direct pointing of access into the forms of Alatan Laharkneshan Floman. I will communicate to 0.6187 in 1.61 times of minute. Now we can give them interior data which is point accurate. Naashan Atapori sep minase prishit kes yazub. Yapish med misebashtep. More time is available to tree flow. More support is available to line access trunk 76. We can begin communicating to the stream flow point 718264 in 7.28 minutes. Now we have direct point line access. Yes, as we can see them from our position, they are tumbling somewhat into the vortex of communication structures of time at 71261 flow form 218. Namashiste Sarabakailam Trubich Ase Clutch. Now I will give them a vector structure to anchor for. Masaklea Masikretia Sepaparas Numet Osherim Iam Etishameriam Ma Ramek Ikabasepe Prishet Nemati Shebet Nimishebet Napash Astereg Uvikrakunis. Ianeves points what we have said. Yes, Iklazi Kamja Laren Nemadu Shirim Lavata support is in play. Equals point was raised to give a better stream view, and we have the outer flow points functional. Mat class Nimish. I will access port 2781 and give them a creation structure to communicate to 614. We will exercise extreme partition structure caution and not advance swiftly, lest their creation points switch into exterior mode point data. We must keep this within internal flow dialogue only. Ish ame trejamiok. Giam ase laden irish. Necessary to give them a point of reference on the horizon to reduce their tumble. Ish ababarat itikesim. Itikesim saying they are swimming within the plane without a point of reference. Nudge them into flow point 12 to 1614 and signal them to use beacon tree point 816126. I can see their descent vector stream. It is stable. Mat reagik rupasem. Necessary to give them an outer flow communication trunk, which is in alignment with their data of age position. That is the length in which they have traveled this stream of time. Na'ajavarida kalistem. It must be a calibration with which they have a resonance. Drash kariba. Necessary to give them vector skill stream 221458. I have closed the outer port and they will no longer be receiving stream data from that signal structure. Their ports will be cleared of divergent resonance within 1282 days of Earth time calibrating to stream 614. Give them an island point at 626 for signal recalibrating. Last time we were here, they overextended their streams, causing cascade within their matrix communication flow. Must communicate this to them for their reference. Nasha sabra sebeti kalasham zepadratam ikasabesha seme diatu serim bet nemeshasu neme sibara shegavakati fitri shambefat Andre shap igavak nemejus marikendre shamet roperten ekaleshastem matrecha nevetras metikalakam Nemaradu Vishan. Time is now going to be accessed for us at 212714. None of us have been here in many turns. This must be carefully considered and removed from our flow structures. Now we must not use communication point 12127774. Nemareche Tresha command is in place. We have a structure to use at 6212. I shall align the data points as we flow. My Angasichat, I shall oversee the points of reference for horizon structure communication. I will not enable a point of communication to live tree 0.62 until all have entered the data structure of stream 2182. There must be no additional data trunk creation points made until we have reached vector point 212614. Namadresh Amashadam. I'm a support tree position. This is my position. Support tree function must be presented ahead of movement, structure, design, communications. Mat Klia Sham Hedra Sekova support niche must be installed and acknowledged ahead of flow trunk hub flow points. We must enable the inner tree before any begin to pass through. Acknowledge this communication to me. Establish that you understand. Nebatuli klakte absetri mission veram es time to move. Dimachuradiri kasyapagama. Understand, it is time to move. We have to move within 7.61 days of this flow. Machrisha bekarese metrash besamadrash misundresh kabesabari kandresham. Gima says we know it is a difficult time point, but it can be traversed successfully. We have tested it. Now give us access to port 6214. And we shall begin the positioning for this wheel move. Ambarase Treshaba commanded is now in place. We have a point and it shall be accessed via stream 264 412 21718. Understood. Master clear it now. Inja falatrek vek vasemejonat. Nemarati shavesta sirim shamadrek. Cover time is now positioned and we have a movement order. Shifting out the structures will be positioned by 712614. Nevarati shab krasmek. Trasheme van evestarab. Dreshan zetrash kebeam esta shabe frasbegorak.